Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm creating this beautiful, colorful lip and liner, Valentine's look. And if you do enjoy it, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. So first here, I'm prepping my face and my lids for the makeup. And then once that's all complete, we're gonna jump into the palette. Using one of my favorite palettes from Storybook Cosmetics to achieve today's look, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the color Prophecy first, just kind of sloppily all over the top and bottom. Then concentrating a little more into my crease, I use Charms. Then for the crease and outer third, I use the color Sorcerer, but like a little tiny amount because I didn't want the red to like be overwhelming because I want the focus to be on the lips and the liner. Then for the lid, I applied Jinx. Off camera, the brows, and then I wanted that crease to be a little sharper, so very carefully I added a little bit of Broomstick, that brown shade, and went into the crease and outer third. For the lower, I just sloppily added Charms, and then I used more of a flat definer brush with the color Broomstick just to pop that outer third. Time to get colorful with some liquid lipsticks and the clear little plastic sheet from a palette. I'm going to apply those colors directly to it, and then with very tiny defined brushes, I'm going to go in from the inner corner to the outer corner, starting with red into pink, and then I did use two different purple shades. So just take your time, be patient, and keep blending. And of course, when you're done, you can clean up that edge as needed. Off camera, I did add some lashes and mascara, and I also did add some concealer as well. I didn't use foundation, I just kind of used my concealer, blended out. I will let you guys know down below what I used. And then here, after bronzing and blush, I'm going to hit my waterline with a nice nude liner, and then some setting and highlight, because you can't forget to highlight and make sure you hit all the sweet spots. Time to liven up the lips. So using two of the shades that I did use for the liner, I'm going to start with the purple shade and apply that to the outer portion of my lips. Then the inner portion, I'm going to focus some of the pink. You can either use a brush, your finger, or blot your lips together like that, and voila, blended. Off camera, I just went ahead and separated, fluffed my curls some, and that is it, everyone. This is the colorful lip and liner Valentine's makeup look. I hope that all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, you come back next week for another video. Happy Valentine's Day and take care.